we're back, day 2 of sewing an entire Coachella wardrobe in a week. I went rock climbing today, which was awesome, and then I came home and I was just straight sewing. Like, my mind was pure obsession, and I actually sewed one outfit, and then I'm like, oh, I forgot I was making a YouTube video. So, black mini skirt, and then I made a matching black, like, crop tank, and this is gonna have, like, little red bows right here, and then it's gonna say I Heart Coachella in vinyl that I have to get from the store. I don't have the vinyl yet. So you're catching up on the other 2 outfits that I am sewing, which are both a stretch fabric. So I did intentionally do this black outfit first because I switched out all of my threads to white threads now on both my machines, and then I also changed my needles from universal to a 2-way stretch needle. So not a ballpoint, but it is just a regular stretch. And then we have like the really glittery fabric, which is so messy, and then the sky blue one, which is going to be a dress. I did cut a little piece of the blue fabric out and then a little piece of the glitter fabric out because you want to run the fabric through your machine just to see if the tension is like going to be perfect. Because especially with a stretch fabric, the tension is really important, because if it is too tight, it is going to stretch out the fabric, and if it's too loose, it's going to wave. So stretch fabric for sure, you want to do some testers. Okay, so this is the 2 breast pieces for the dress. So I'm going to serge the sides of these and then hem them and then connect them. This is the skirt. I have the right sides together. I'm going to sew a straight line and serge down the edges, and then attach some ruffles and then put these on top is what I'm thinking. So that's what's going on at the sewing machine. So I feel like this is a good thing to put in the video because it's a great teaching moment. I measured it a little bit too short. I actually opened up this seam on the side, and I just decided to change the design of the whole outfit, and I did a nice little straight stitch on it. So I'm actually going to create like loops here and have it like tie with strings down the side. I wanted to sew this like diagonally, and I wouldn't be able to do that if it was sewn all the way. So everything's gonna work out awesome. And I actually think having this open on the side is gonna be a really cute detail. So I'm just gonna flow with it and work with my new design, mid-design. This is our regular overlock stitch. You can see I have a couple missed stitches, but it's pretty wide. And I decided that I actually want to do a rolled hem, which I kind of had to mess around with this fabric because everything is different. But a rolled hem is like a very tight hem that actually pulls the fabric underneath it. And when you get a rolled hem really tight, you can create like a wave. So as you can see right here, I was trying to get it to wave, and it just barely started to wave at the very end. So this is kind of what I wanted for the dangly pieces on the dress. So I'm going to go ahead and do this wavy seam on all of the edge pieces so they have a nice finish. And I actually learned the settings for this. I've done it before, but I reminded myself of these in my serging manual. If you guys are interested in learning different types of seams and stuff, I would love to do that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the seams. Showed you my mistakes. It's a good thing to recognize that mistakes can usually turn into something productive depending on how you want to look at it. It's like I could have totally thought I ruined this whole outfit, it's terrible, but instead I just pivoted my design and I recreated something in the moment. And I think it's gonna be so awesome. I just finished one of these rolled hem pieces, and it literally curls so cute and so perfect. I don't know if I actually mentioned this in my earlier recordings, but I did cut these on a curve. You know that if you cut things on a curve, they will naturally curl. So adding a rolled hem to a curled piece is gonna make them like super curly. So this is so the vibe I want for this outfit. We're going for like a very ethereal, like angelic fairy. The skirt is done. I literally love it so much. So it looks like this. It's really cute. I have eyes on the side, so it will be kind of like a zigzaggy, open, sexy little vibe. We are back sewing day 3. This is where we're starting at for tonight's project. I absolutely love everything that this outfit is. We have the frillies on the sides. We have a long frill that goes down the bottom. I switched up this top and actually made it its own thing, so it ties in the front with these little flaps on it. And then I had these little pieces cut out, and these are actually going to be little loops that go on the side, so they can have a string that goes through them. So that's all we have left to do for this outfit, and then we're going to do the glitter one. And we are on the very last stretch of sewing this collection. All we have left to sew is this glittery 2-piece. I already know it's going to be so cute. And this is a really straightforward sewing project. This is probably the easiest. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this sewed up. We have our top, good sides together. It's gonna be a 1-shoulder top, asymmetrical, and then we have the skirt. But this is gonna be cinchy, so it's gonna be like all diagonal. So yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit of an update in just a moment. This is the side of the top from the inside that's going to be cinched. So what I've done is I have serged the edge, and then I actually did a straight seam about 1/2 inch inward. So then to be able to create like a string that can go up and down, we actually are going to open this seam up like this, and we are going to sew each of these edges down on the sides to create like a pathway for the string to go. So then once she has a top on, it'll be able to cinch up like really cute and like pull right there. Hi guys, good morning. We are on day 4 of making a Coachella wardrobe in 4 days. So today is our last day. It's the morning time. Here's my outfit. Very cute. I actually made this skirt. It's a staple. I wear it a lot. It's just like a black long skirt. But today we are finishing up accessories, like last minute things. We're gonna go grab some vinyl, some beads, just random stuff.
See you next Wednesday for part 3. Thanks for watching.